What's going on, guys? Been a minute since I uploaded, but been busy with work. I've gotten just a little bit done, but today I plan on getting a lot more done. So what I have gotten done in between is I got an oil return welded into an oil pan, and then I got my oil return on the turbo all welded up. It's very tight. There's not a lot of space that I'm working with, obviously, but doing what I can. So hopefully today I will have boost controller, boost gauge in, have the wastegate in, stuff like that. But yeah, let's get to it. Alright, so I ran out of gas for my welder, so probably done working on the wastegate and all that. But I can still do my boost gauge and my boost controller. This is supposed to be an in-cabin one. See how that goes, but alright, got my boost gauge installed into my center console deal. So now time to run the vacuum line. Alright, that's how I have my boost gauge hooked up. Right in that nice convenient hole. So, on to my in-cabin boost controller. Alright, boost controller in. I'm keeping it in the engine bay. Keep the line not so long, so I have room to kind of spin it up in here since I have no wipers. Perfect spot. Got the T in. Don't have the other end hooked up to the wastegate because I don't have my bracket made yet, but that's all hooked up. Alright guys, what's up? I got a pocket full of change, and it's time to go wash the Subaru so I can sell it one last time. Sad to see her go, but it's time, because I got that. So yeah, let's go get her washed up, ready to sell. Say goodbye to the Subaru. Bye-bye. So today we're gonna go pick up my buddy's E36 from my other buddy's field shop area. So let's get on it. Let's get going. Ah, you should have. Here's the old Drift E36 that does not have a keyboard. He's a beaut. It is fucking windy. So Mark, are you happy?
Somewhat happy.
You got your BMW back?
Still got a speed bump to go before I know for sure if I'm happy.
Why'd you pick a BMW?
Oh, because I was clueless on certain things.
Yeah. It's the #1 rule with the BMW, Mark. Don't lose a fucking key. Guys, just dropped Marc's car off at his place. Be out on the track this year, sliding the E36. So yeah, just heading back out my place. So catch you on the flip side. All right, what's going on, guys? Back at the house. Just kind of putting back together the interior. Got the center console. Boost gauge is all in, plumbed and everything. Got all my electronics hooked up back there. Kill switch hooked up. Dash is looking good. Just kind of putting it all back together. I'll be mounting that seat. I haven't done that yet. I got the bracket and everything, but alright guys, so I got my seat bracket on, everything like that. It's all bolted up, all good to go. And while I was going to put it in, I noticed something. Got a little bit of a rust hole right here. So I'm gonna patch that before I do anything, before I put the seat back in. But as you know, I'm out of gas. So, kind of at a little bit of a standstill, but the interior is all in. Looking pretty good, looking pretty good. So that's all good. So that's probably it for tonight. So check in for more updates, all that. Make sure to like, subscribe, follow, all the good jazz. Share if you want. Stay tuned for all of the adventures coming up with the new cars and stuff. So anyways, I'm gonna get to uploading this. See ya.